We already had these metrics. We were monitoring the metrics, but we didn't have an easy way for each customer to see what their personal metrics were. So I know that we did some work in the back end so that the customers could see what their SLAs, whether they're being met or not met, which would be the first step of, hey, I'm at a 97% success rate on my backups. Then they go to that form.
It's one of the things, and obviously, if people don't know on this podcast, Prasanna and I worked together for about 1 billion years, including at EMC. And one of the nice things about being in a SaaS company is you look and say, boy, I'd really love that statistic. I'd love that piece of telemetry. And you pop it in, and 2 weeks later, you get your update, and suddenly you're getting that telemetry, so you can get that reporting. You contrast that to back in the old days where it was like, all right, so we know we need this piece of data. All right, we're going to get it in the next release. The next release ships in 18 months. Okay, so then after it releases in 18 months, it's probably about 6 months before any customers really deploy it outside of like their test environments. And then another 12 past that before the enterprise customers really roll it out in fury. So if we put these numbers in today, 3 years from now, we'll finally start to get data. So yeah, it's been nice to be able to just say, "Yep, you're right. We need that stat." You put that stat in, and now, to your point, Curtis, we can actually calculate and share these numbers.
I was just recalling those days, and it's like, yeah, if you didn't plan ahead of time for when the first release goes out of, hey, here's all the telemetry and stats I need, then good luck trying to get it in anytime later.
Yeah, it's on that huge list of why SaaS, right?
Yeah.
And why, when we look at these other vendors, I won't name any of them specifically, but other vendors that are lift and shift, right? They have a traditional development model for their software that's based on a traditional delivery model. And then if they also have a SaaS-based service, they're basically behind even that, right? I mean, maybe they're on par. I don't know in terms of their release dates, but it's a traditional delivery model. It's not features released every 2 weeks. That's a really good point, Stephen.